Oh. Are you ready to dive? You guys ready to dive, huh? Kat, you ready to dive?
Ready to dive.
Really? You're ready to dive, huh? Okay. You ready to dive?
Ready to dive.
You sure? How many dives have you had?
3.
3
Last
dives.
one.
Oh. You're not ready to dive yet.
Why?
Look at your SPG. It's not fixed
yeah.
properly. See?
Sorry.
You said you're ready. How can I pass you? You're telling me you're ready and then you're not ready. You're not ready yet eh. Oh. See? Oh.
Oh crap.
Oh. What did you do?
I dropped my...
Oh, don't drop it. Pick it up. Okay. This guy is not ready yet. Okay. Oh. You ready to dive? Okay. Let's see if you're ready to dive, huh? You tell me, huh? You give me an okay sign again. You, ready to dive?
I'm ready.
Okay, you're ready, huh? Okay. Cut first, huh? Okay, Cut will do the back roll. You watch Cut, huh? You go to the line, huh? Cut? Okay. Okay. So everything is streamlined, properly streamlined. Okay, you have to make sure that your gauges are full of air. Okay? Full of air? Okay, i-zero mo kayo mga gauges nila, yung mga depth gauge nila, Sandy? Make sure they're on 0, 0, your gauges, your depth gauge. Is it on 0, 0? Oh, you didn't put it 0, 0 eh. If you cannot do it, let Sandy do it. Is it on 0, 0? Let me see your gauge. Oh, see, that's your depth. No, it's not on 0, 0. Okay, you have to... naka 0, 0 na to, no? Okay. Let me see.
0,
Oh,
0.
see, it's 0, 0, okay? Oh, you can monitor your depth. All right? So, when you're nearing this red mark there, you have to say you're low on air. What is low on air? Nicholas? You fail. That's out of air. How can I pass you? You're making a roll. Ay, my golly. Don't make a mistake. What is...
Out of air.
He's confused. What is inflate?
Huh?
Inflate. Sign for inflate. Deflate. Oops! Oh, you see that? Buti na lang, you're a strong woman. You almost fell on the water. Okay, tingnan mo kung okay yung kanyang tangke. Baka hindi yun. Ha? Oh, again. Look here. Okay sign. Okay sign, Nicholas. Problem sign. Okay. Up. Down. Out of air. Okay, alright. Oh, you first. Oh, sige, back roll ka na. You wait, ha? Let's see, one at a time. Okay. Put on your mask and put your puwet at the back. What's puwet? Buttocks? Okay, you put your buttocks at the back. Okay? What would you tell me?
Am I clear?
Yes.
Wait.
You have to inflate first. Inflate.
Inflated.
Are you fully inflated? Some more. Okay. Now, okay, back roll. You're clear na.
Okay,
Very good. Go.
Air.
Nicholas. Wag muna Nicholas. Okay. Una puwet. All right. Okay, sign. Very good. Yo, Nicholas. Bakit kasi naging Nicholas pangalan nito eh? Okay, Nicholas. Are you clear?
Clear?
Yes. Your puwet. Buttocks more at the back. Yes. All right. Are you inflated, Nicholas? You are not inflated yet, Nicholas eh. Oh, sige pa.
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Pinagsak na, walang yaka eh. Oh, are you good? All right, go to the rope.
Galay na
All
siya.
right.
Mahulog na.
You're okay? Go to the rope. Get to the rope. Here's the rope. Hang on to the rope. Okay, come on, get to the rope. Nicholas first, huh? Nicholas first. Okay, both of you, look here. Both of you. Okay, give me an okay sign. Okay, start to deflate. All right. Sige, sabay na lang kayo. Just don't hit each other, huh? Okay, deflate. Okay, don't die early, huh? Okay, come up alive, huh? Okay. Wow. Look at these two students of mine. They really want to learn scuba diving. Come on, Nicholas, start to deflate. Okay. Very good. They're down. The divers are down. Hope they come up alive. Oh, look here. Hey, give me okay sign. Wow, you happy, huh? Very happy, huh? Now you're smiling, huh? Smiling, huh? Oh, cut. Okay sign, cut. Wow, happy na, happy. Wow, iba pala pag happy ka, ha? Ha? Ibang-iba pag happy, ha? Simple Bolter to, nagka-cramps.
Too much in the water, Tito. Full boat is on land.
Oo nga eh. Paul Bolter nagka-cramps. Buti pa si Swedish ba to? Hindi Swedish to eh. Sa taga Switzerland. Ano ba tawag sa taga Switzerland? Swiss. Yeah, si Swiso. You're Swiso. Ha? You're not Filipino, Swiso only. Half? Half Filipino, half Swiso. Oh, ito talaga Pilipina. Oh, Pilipina. Ha? Half Filipino, half Swiso, ha? Okay. Wow. Look at these two divers. They want to enjoy the underwater world. What do you want to enjoy? The alcohol world or the underwater world?
Both.
Both? Alcohol world and underwater world. Okay. You want to enjoy both, huh?
Like you, Tito.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Sabi pa niya, like you, Tito, ha? Bad boy talaga ako sa mga sa mga pamangking ko, bad boy ako, ha? Ha? Okay sign. Wow, okay sign, ha? Wow. We have another scuba diver and you passed already. You passed. That kind of smile I cannot fail you, eh. Or else you report me to your mommy. Mommy Mariko. Oh, ay nako! Baliktad! Oh my God! How can I pass you? You give it the wrong way. Please. Don't do it the wrong way. Or else people will laugh at your instructor. They will say, how the hell did this diver pass? Okay? You don't give your fins right away. Alright. Okay, so you have to hold on to the boat. Okay, take out everything. Alright? Yes, remove everything. And then make sure everything is removed. Okay? You have to unbuckle everything. Okay? Yeah, very good. So once you unbuckle everything, tell the boatman, bring it up.
Bring it up.
Okay. Okay. Bring it up, boatman. Oh, now you can throw your fins to the boat. Okay, but never give your fins first. Okay, throw in the boat. Throw. Okay, just throw. Just keep on throwing. Okay, never remove your mask, because if you remove your mask, okay, you can lose it in the water. Okay, and then the last thing to do is climb. Okay, now give me an okay sign. Wow. Come on, get on the other side. Okay, sit down. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at that. Oh, the penguin, huh? Wow, look at that, huh? Look at that shot, huh? Wow. Beautiful, huh? You enjoy diving, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, come closer. Yeah. Okay, sign. Problem sign. Up sign. Go down. Deplate. Okay, inflate. Okay, out of air. Low on air. Okay, congratulations. You're now scuba divers under Rolly Baron. Okay, let's have a picture taking. Okay, now, let's turn off the video and we want a nice picture. Turn off the video. Photo yan. Photo, yes. Wow, sige. Okay. That's good. Okay, sige. Smile. Okay, smile.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
Done.
Ganun mo na konti. Oh, what? Did you have a good time? Just talk.
Yes.
Awesome time.
Awesome time.
Oh, really, huh?
We should dive again.
You had 4 dives, huh? Wow, really great, huh? But I think we need some Emperador.
Oh.
Huh? You drink Emperador?
No.
You don't drink Emperador? You don't
Vodka.
drink? Only drink vodka?
Tequila. Or black.
Wow. You came here to drink and dive, huh? Oh, again, I'll congratulate you again, huh? Congratulations, huh? You're now a Swiss diver. Filipina diver.
Thank you.
Okay, sign.